In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your live stream link to your Eventbrite order confirmation. If you're hosting a virtual or hybrid event, placing the viewing link directly in the order confirmation ensures attendees receive access the moment they register. It's simple, reliable, and saves you from sending separate emails. Before we start, have your live stream URL ready. This could be from YouTube, Vimeo, Zoom, or another platform. And make sure it's the final link you want attendees to use. Open Eventbrite in your browser and head to your organizer dashboard so you can access the event you want to update. Once you're on that event's management page, look for the three-dot menu near the top right and select Edit. This brings you into the main editor where you can adjust the attendee-facing details for your event. Next, go to Order Options and choose Order Confirmation. This is the message attendees receive as soon as they complete their order or registration. It's the perfect spot to include access information for online viewing because every registrant sees it without any extra steps on your end. In the order confirmation message area, paste your full live stream URL, including HTTPS. Add a short, clear line so it's unmistakable, like "Join the live stream here," followed by the link. Keep the wording friendly and straightforward so attendees know exactly where to click. If your viewing platform requires a passcode or has a waiting room, include that information right next to the link to minimize confusion when the event starts. A few quick best practices can help. Use a stable, final link rather than a placeholder to avoid last-minute changes. If the stream is set to private or unlisted, confirm the audience permissions match what your attendees will need. Consider adding the event start time and time zone in the same sentence as the link to reduce questions. And if you're using multiple ticket types, remember that this order confirmation goes to all purchasers, so the message should make sense for everyone who registers. When you're happy with the text, review the preview if one is available so you can see how it will appear to attendees. After that, your updated confirmation will go out automatically with new registrations, giving your audience immediate, reliable access to the live stream. And that's it. By placing your live stream link in the order confirmation, you streamline access, cut down on support requests, and set your event up for a smooth start.